Trying something new with the goat's hay rack here. This thing's actually meant for horses, I believe. It's got real broad spaces in it, and because of that we throw in a slice of hay and they throw half of it on the ground. They waste just so much of it on the ground, which goats are real picky. You know, everybody says goats eat everything, but goats are actually real picky. So they pull a lot of the stems out and they just want the alfalfa leaves, and then once it touches the ground they don't want it. So I just went through with some 2x4 box wire that we had scrap laying around, and I just kind of laid it on the inside of that bigger hay rack. And so far anyway, it looks like it's slow and cali down here. I don't see hardly anything falling on the ground, little bits. The other thing I was thinking about was putting a trough underneath of that to catch all those little fines, because the alfalfa leaves are what's real fine and tender. They tend to fall to the ground, and that's exactly what the goats want, is those little bitty leaves. So I think if I can find a way to mount a trough underneath that'll catch all those fines to where then they can lick them up. Maybe if they catch in the trough and not on the ground, they'll still eat them. But anyway, this alfalfa is pretty expensive. So we're trying to find ways to not waste as much. This looks like it's working. We'll see how it lasts long term.